Hey guys, this is Miss Laredo again. I'm going to show you how to upload videos into YouTube. One thing that I found out from students is that a lot of the videos that are being posted in Schoology are things that they have to download in order to watch first. And if they're having to download it, that's a lot of extra time, especially if their internet is not running as quickly or if their computer is not as effective of a computer as yours maybe is. So trying to remove that step of them having to download a video first, you can do that by uploading your video into YouTube. Now I know probably what you're thinking is I don't want to upload all my videos to YouTube and then anybody can see them. Well, they don't have to be able to see them. There are a lot of privacy settings you can have that you have in YouTube in order to make it to where only your students will be able to see those videos. We're going to start here. You can access it straight from your Google Apps right here. You're just going to go to YouTube. All right, from here you're going to click on the create button and you have two choices. You can go live or you can upload a video. I have not gone live before, but I typically do this one where you upload a video. Okay, from here it's really easy for you. All those videos that you're creating and you're storing them on your computer or in your Google Drive, you just select your files and you upload them here. Once it uploads, it's going to give you some privacy settings. Let me show you that through some of my videos. So this is the screen that you're going to see once you click on upload. Once you click upload, you're going to have all these different options. You have to say yes or no whether or not it's made for kids. Now, these are for your students, so it's made for kids. So I typically say yes. Yes, it's made for kids. And then here under visibility. So right now, this video right here is set to public because I want this to be searchable in YouTube where anybody can search Schoology tutorials and this video might pop up for them on YouTube. But if you don't want that, then all you have to do is click unlisted. Now, unlisted is an option here where the only people that can see your video are people that have the link. So if you share this link with them, then they can view your video. If you do not share this link with them, they cannot view your video. Now, private, I would not suggest you use private unless you're only wanting a very small amount of people to be able to view it. Because for private, you have to individually uh, add permissions for each person that you want to be able to view it. So this would be very cumbersome if you were trying to do that for all of your students. So my suggestion is to go with unlisted for your videos that you're creating for your students. This particular video is for you guys, so I listed it as public because other teachers can find value in it as well. So from here, you're just going to go through all of the different settings. You can check through them, see what you want to do, and you'll click upload, and that's it. Once you have got all of your videos uploaded, then here on your main YouTube page, because that was in YouTube Studio, once you're in YouTube, you just click on this little button here, the three lines. You go to your videos. Okay. And this is a list of all of the videos that you have uploaded. So as you can see, most of my videos are unlisted because these are made specifically for just my students. Very few of them are public, just these two. Now, how do you use these to embed in Schoology? So this is an example of one of my morning videos that I created for students. So when I post this, any video, you can do it one of two ways. You can either click just the link right here, or you can embed. I typically embed. So you click on the embed button, you copy the embed code, And then you go to Schoology, you add a page. Now this is the confusing part, lots of clicks here. You're going to click here where it says insert content, image media from the web, media, link embed code goes here. You'll insert the media. Now it looks kind of funky here. It's just like a yellow square here. Don't worry, that's exactly what it's supposed to look like. You're going to click this button right here until it says display inline, and then you'll click create. And that shows your video right here. There's no link they have to click on. They can just play it directly in Schoology.